The overall goal of this reference measurement procedure is to harmonize measurements of A-beta in human CSF.
This method can help standardize assays for the measurement of CSF A-beta 42, which is a biomarker for central amyloid pathology, a neuropathological hallmark of Alzheimer's disease.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is truly validated and doesn't use antibodies for quantification of A-beta 1 to 42.
The implications of this technique extend toward therapy of Alzheimer's disease because it will be used to harmonize assays and facilitate the introduction of general cutoff levels in clinical trials.
Though this method can provide insight into amyloid pathology in humans, it can also be applied to other model organisms such as transgenic mice and non-human primates to evaluate new drugs.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because A-beta 142 is very hydrophobic and can easily stick to surfaces such as pipette tips and tubes.
First, add 40 microliters of N15A-beta peptide to 0.46 milliliters of 20% acetonitrile and 4% concentrated ammonia in a 0.5 milliliter microcentrifuge tube. Mix the peptide solution on a vortex mixer for 1 minute. Add 50 microliters of the peptide solution to 1.95 milliliters of 20% acetonitrile and 4% concentrated ammonia in a 2 milliliter microcentrifuge tube. Mix the peptide solution on a vortex mixer for 1 minute. Next, prepare 6 calibrator solutions by mixing the appropriate volumes of each solution in microcentrifuge tubes.